Google unveiled for new Pixel 9 smartphones earlier this week. Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The non-folding Pro models come with an improved version of Video Boost introduced with the Pixel 8 series last year. And if you thought the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which is the most expensive in the lineup, had it too, then you are in for a disappointment because it doesn't get all the Video Boost goodies. The non-folding Pixel 9 Pros come with Video Boost having AI-powered 8K upscaling for 4K videos and Super Race Zoom video for 20x lossless video recording. While the Pixel 9 Pro Fold comes with HDR Plus video, night sight video, and improved processing speeds for Video Boost videos, it doesn't get 8K upscaling and Super Race Zoom. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold doesn't get these camera features that Pixel 9 Pro models do. With a base price of $1,799, which is $800 more than the Pixel 9 Pro and $700 more than the Pixel 9 Pro XL. One would expect the Pixel 9 Pro Fold to have all the camera features its non-folding Pro counterparts have, but that's not the case. Then again, it's also worth noting that the Fold's camera hardware is different from the non-folding Pros, so if you want a Pixel with the best camera features that Google has to offer, you might want to consider buying the Pixel 9 Pro or the Pixel 9 Pro XL.